In this video, we are going to talk about how to archive old classes. You might be in a position where you need to remove classes from your active classrooms page, maybe if the class is from last year, or if you've moved all the students out of the class and you're just left with an empty shell. To archive classes, click on the wheel icon to access class settings, and then scroll down. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option to archive the classroom. A few things to note is that only the lead teacher can archive the classroom. If you've been added as a co-teacher, you will not have this option, and you'll need to ask the lead teacher to make this decision. The second thing that we need to note is that once you archive the classroom, the data will no longer be accessible. So once you click to archive, you'll be notified of this, and you'll be asked to check each item off. So no links will be accessible anymore. All shared links will be inaccessible. Students will not be able to access the classroom, and you will not be able to add more students to the class. If you check off all three items and you're sure that you want to archive the class, click the Archive button, and we can see that that class has now been removed from our page.